As we know that data can be enriched on the visual directly using data input measure, there is another measure which is called simulate, which can also help us to enrich our data. We can simulate the values directly on the fly, straight inside the visual. Let's take a look at this feature. We've got the last year's quantity actuals and the average selling price. We want to plan the revenue for the next period by using the quantity as a reference from last period and the selling price average. Now we're going to stay on Insert tab, and there's a feature called Data Input. We are aware of this. We'll copy the reference of the last period's quantity actual and name it as the next year's quantity plan. Now it's time for us to use the Simulate feature. In the Insert tab, we have Simulate. This is like a scenario measure. So we're going to call it ASP. Use selling price as a simulation reference base and hit create. Now you see we cannot make changes directly on the explicit measure, but let's hide the explicit measure. Let's hide the quantity for the year 2024, and we create a formula measure. This will be quantity times the selling price, the average selling price. And now let's see the magic of simulate feature. We get this simulation lever directly. We can use this at cell level. We can also use it for top down. We can also lock a specific value and still run top down, ignoring the locked value. This is a very interesting and modern feature. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. See you in the next video.